summary written by Fisher Alinus. So he went on to say that what we already know that the surge that year to date as institutional ownership increased and management reassured investors about the accounting debacle. The company, obviously, we know very well, has filed its Q10K and 10Q, and BDO USA confirmed the financial statements accuracy, boosting investor sentiment. Significant data center capex from major tech firms and Supermicro's advanced DLC technology position it for substantial revenue growth in 2025 and 2026. He also went on to say that with sales numbers expected to be on the up and up and share prices down, he thinks this undervalued company is one to gobble up. Okay, and he rates the company a buy. Okay, and if you are wondering what DLC is all about, it's according to Charles, it's just cooling the chips and all those competing elements that heat up a lot with room temperature water. So water either goes in through one of those pipes or comes out there, and they are usually inside beneath those boxes. There is a plate. The water comes at the top of that box, which you saw there earlier on. You're going to see here, comes at the top of this box, and then also the cooling just happens at the top, and then flows in and flows out, and it's recycled. So just like your radiator. That's basically, not sure what it is all about. So I believe theirs is a one phase one. One phase doesn't change into steam or something like that. It could be. But usually it's usually either a one phase or a two phase. One phase meaning that it the waters remains a liquid, remains liquid all through the whole process, all through the whole cycle. And two phase means it's heated up. Once it gets to the chips, where the chips are, to the cold plate, as the case may be, it becomes steam and then eventually cools down and begins the cycle. So and this is what we have here on Twitter, on X rather. Yeah, let's see what's going on. Charles there. Bounce off $40 support. Okay, $55 possible. After that, it's broken $80 possible. There's some fundamental analysis there. For those who didn't read the CFO will be announced by next week. That is the 8th of March. That will be 8th of March will be Saturday. Okay, SMCI target $224. Not financial advice. $120 minimum stock. We had last week. We published a video about the $140 case for the stock. Okay, don't let okay. SMCI is going to hit $4 this year. No sure seller can shake him or her out. The market is about to create incredible opportunities. I will likely be the one. I'll likely be one of the year's best trades. It will likely be one of the year's best trades. Will offer a 3x or 3x to 4x opportunity. Needs to confirm the reversal on Monday. But the popularity is also another problem. It's getting too popular. It's getting really too popular. Anyway, it was popular then when it was really climbing up the chart. Nvidia is quite popular, so I mean, so it's not the fundamentals are in place. There's no doubt about its fundamentals. So yeah, let's see. As I reflect on what transpired last week, despite the good news, what I more sure of this morning is this bears are trapped big time, and so the ones that lend them the shares. Okay, this and no GME. Okay, yes, indeed, it's really not a GME. Yes, it's not. SMCI completed four out of the five bullet items below. Only thing left is the hiring of new CFO. Okay, it's coming up. We mentioned that the 8th of March. It's a generational buying opportunity to buy the deep, but it feels like when I keep buying the deep. For your information, the price action does add up here. They are creating fear for retail to sell. Third day in a row, the price has dropped with way more buying than selling. Okay, let's see. Let's see, what does she have? She has here trade opportunity. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The squeeze is coming. Okay. 130 million shots in one day, $100 for sure. Only question is when, today or tomorrow. If I have learned anything, being long here since December, it's that this stock never does what's supposed to. Keep your head on the swivel, expect the unexpected. When a stock has been in the doghouse, takes time to love on it again. Yeah, to get that love in time. Most know the capabilities behind the company has to win over the hearts of investors again. Announces plans for third campus in Silicon Valley. Is pushing forward with a major expansion, announcing plans for a third campus in Silicon Valley. The first building will be over 300,000 square feet. SMCI is up for the month, even after market took a dump in February. March is amazing. Top performer coming for March. Okay, once the manipulation wanes, fundamentals kick in, and then well, the holders will have their laugh. It might be your luckiest to have big bulls. Okay, drop from 56 to 41 was a short attack designed to shake out retail investors, exploiting low volume selling, and SMCX forced rebalancing. As SMCI dropped, SMCX had to sell more shares, accelerating the decline. Market makers and shorts piled in, triggering retail. Only $25 billion revenue, 500 million shares, which is $50. Now with $40 market cap is around 20 billion. Okay, with forward revenue. Okay, some fundamentals there. Some SM Supermicro is down 23% since mentioned on 19th of February. The stock still has on field gaps well below current levels. If this wasn't okay, let's see here. If this wasn't the golden age of fraud, the SMCI execs would already be in prison. Okay, we have SMC is bearish. This is reach. We have identified material weakness in our internal control. Okay, so yeah. The prior major resistance acted nicely as support yesterday. I took a long position for a swing trade, looking for a short-term run to 46 to 48. Let's see how it plays next week. Okay, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Thank you very much for watching this video.